Hi guys, Matt and Eyga here. Look, Rafat, hun, but we don't care. I'm with Abdi. Matt was met naar roar. Like we're training for the Somali pirate dog training. Abdi, focus! Stop looking at other bitches. Let's go. Oh, fair no, yeah, like other like dog gabber. Like mahakwa. Oh wait, guys, I'm actually gabber hun when because Abdi was my business. I gave him a boy name, but Abdi is actually a girl. Oh, maybe is Abdi knies. Abdi, let's go. واحد مع Abduro. ما ابنين. Abdi, ilmoha atanka maanas met het fair is. Atanka is kalali warja. Atanka is met Abduro. Abduro ka fair is. Oh, for ilmo ka atanka ro ado warja. So warja. Abdi, you're not gonna be a pirate if you're gonna start acting like this. You're never gonna become a pirate, Ria. Marabta Somali pirates as mesit noho. Anyway, guys, mesit mahal. Ani ka maahan o wagas mayo. Abdi ani mes menoyo like smesi Somali. Like it's not really giving Somali. It's mayo. We had wheel ka azanka rorooks mayo. Like atanus kumleya. Ria, what's in galo? Maka ade kugalatay. Maahan ade galo was kikiti. Mafam sent hi Abdi. Mahal ade wa gaber Somali. Dige kormagain, okay? Otherwise dat ka indo yurka wa kusmanaya un. Abdi. Ria, Abdi. Good job, Abdi. Good job. Abdi, dear. Roar, Khali is my Abdi. Khali, Ria. I'm the captain now. Abdi, good job. Abdi. No, Abdi, stop. Don't do that. Good job. Abdi, don't do that. Yeah. Good job, Abdi. Good job. Real Somali dog. Well, I don't play with Abdi.